The second part of this hike is all about the waterfalls. A few pictures at the end will take us on home. Hope you enjoy.
Here we are at the top of the first waterfall. Here we are at the first of the many waterfalls that we'll see today. This one is called the Golden Cascade Waterfall.
All the creeks in the area flow into West Wattle Creek as it makes its way to the ocean. Subsequently, as West Wattle Creek swells during heavy rains, the bridge occasionally washes out, preventing access to Berry Creek Falls from the skyline to the sea trail. The bridge was strategically built as a washout bridge to prevent damming and soil erosion along the creek. During rainy weather, check with park headquarters to make sure the bridge is intact. If the bridge is impassable, cut across the Timms Creek Trail to the Sunset Trail and see the falls from an elevated perspective. You can still hike down to the foot of the falls before heading back up and retracing your steps back to park headquarters. The hike to Berry Creek Falls affords park visitors perhaps the best opportunity to experience the wide range of habitats represented in Big Basin. Be prepared for about a 4 to 6 hour hike round trip, depending on which route you choose, ranging from moderately difficult to strenuous. The falls are actually a series of 4 cascades. Golden Falls, named for their lovely golden shimmer, Cascade Falls, the most dramatic of the falls, dropping a breathtaking 80 feet, Silver Falls, a silvery cascade, and Berry Creek Falls, the lower falls and perhaps the prettiest of the 4 together. The falls all together drop over 200 feet, creating a refreshing pool for park visitors to rest beside. Stay a while and enjoy the shade of the oaks and redwoods that line the banks, but please return all litter back to park headquarters with you, and be sure to steer clear of the closed areas at the bottom of the falls. They can be very dangerous.
So here is another perspective of falls. Beautiful. And you can get away from all the other tourists if you come up here.
I don't recommend this unless you're very sure-footed. It was pretty slippery up there, and I don't want anybody to get hurt.
So we finished 5 miles. I'm going to walk off this and take you to the rest of the 5 miles and get us out of here.